Today we're heading into Kelham Island, one of my favourite areas in Sheffield. It's just a short walk from the city centre, and honestly, it's got such a cool mix of old and new. Let's check it out.
Kelham Island. Let's go.
As soon as you get here, you feel it. Industrial history everywhere. Old factories, steel works, all mixed in with cafes, pubs and street art. It's like walking through Sheffield's past and future at the same time. It's like the area is constantly rewriting itself but still holding on to its roots. You'll pass old steel factories, rusted railings, brick warehouses, and then suddenly you're standing in front of a shiny block of flats. Construction's still happening everywhere, but they've kept those industrial textures, the old signs, the character. It's not polished, but that's what makes it cool. It feels real, like Sheffield's growing but not forgetting where it started. First stop, you've got to see the Kelham Island Museum. Even if you don't go inside, the outside's pretty cool. Giant gears, old machinery, and that iconic chimney. Step inside and it's like time slows down. The museum holds the heartbeat of old Sheffield, massive steel machines, worn-down tools, echoes of factory life. You can hear the past in the creak of the floorboards and the hiss of the River Don engine. It's more than a museum, it's the sound and soul of a city built by industry. Then there's the street art. Look around and you'll spot some brilliant pieces tucked into corners and walls. Feels like an open-air gallery. One of the best things here? Just the vibe. It's got this laid-back, creative energy. Everyone's either sipping coffee, walking their dog, or heading to the next bar. And the river, honestly, it just adds to the whole atmosphere. Great spot to slow down and take in the city in a different way. So yeah, that's a little stroll through Kelham Island. Super chill, full of character, and totally worth exploring if you're in Sheffield. If you like the vibe, hit like, drop a comment with your favorite Sheffield spots or places I should check out next, and don't forget to subscribe for more chill city walks. See you in the next one.